Parents, are you planning a family holiday in London this year? Well, how about we give you a little break from your parenting duties? Why don't we make this summer the summer that your children will rave about? Speak Up London's summer program is a place where your kids will learn English, but also discover London's treasures and form lasting friendships with friends from all over the world. With us, your kids will enjoy 3 hours of English lessons a day delivered by fantastic, certified and experienced English language teachers based in London. But it's not all about the classroom. We bring learning to life with 5 hours a day of engaging activities. From visiting iconic sites to getting creative in workshops, we've designed a summer that is as fun as it is educational. We've also got the food covered with daily healthy meals to keep those young brains energized for discovery. Tailored for busy families, our program runs from Monday to Friday, giving you the time to enjoy London and relax. We also offer optional Saturday trips for even more fun. You can enrol your child in Speak Up's London summer program now at just £450 a week. Now, that's cheaper than a nanny's rate in London.